Hi, I'm Sunny Pandey and welcome to another day in my life. Today is Friday, 1:30. I quickly did some work. Quickly did some office work. Did one editing, posted a story, event video story on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to check out. We have lots of fun there, all my event updates and some really nice reels also I make mehnat karke, so do check out my Instagram. So I will show you what I got today, not the PR, that's another video. But every Friday I get fresh flowers because every Friday I get fresh flowers because I like keeping fresh flowers in my living room. So we are going to unbox this together and do flower arrangement. How fun! What time is it? What time is it? नहीं, watch मत देखो. It's time to have some tea. Got this in PR by the way. तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि ओ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को तो कुछ खरीदना ही नहीं पड़ता है, इन्हें तो सब कुछ फ्री में मिल जाता है. हाँ, so what? I got this PR. Actually सब कुछ फ्री में नहीं मिलता है. Please मुझे hate मत करना. Wow. So we have one Kashmiri spice tea and we have निकल ही रहा है. Wow! Chai is ready and I'm having crack jack with my chai because I feel like having some munchies. By the way, look at this. I got this in Kinder Joy. That's Hermione, Harry, Ron, and it's DIY'd on this frame I got from IKEA. This broomstick is handmade, handcrafted, hand woven, hand. That's another frame also from IKEA, but these shells are hand picked by yours truly in Goa के बीच से उठाया हुआ है ये. Do not come at me with ecosystem and you can't pick shells and all that because ये मैं deep dive करके नहीं लेके आया हूँ. ये मुझे बस बाहर मिल गया, मैंने उठा लिया and बहुत अच्छे से इस्तेमाल किया गया है इसका. So I think it's art. Let me know what you think about my two frame ideas. I also have a lot of cute things around my house. If you guys are interested, we can do a video on that. But you have to let me know क्योंकि मुझे सपना नहीं आएगा ना कि तुम्हें क्या देखना है, तुम क्या देखना चाहते हो, क्या तुम्हें पसंद है. मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा तो मैं बनाऊंगा नहीं तो मेरा भी नुकसान है वैसे तो. But you get it right. 5 Ramadan meals from around the world. ना ही मैं रोज़ा कर रहा हूँ, ना ही मैं रमज़ान सेलिब्रेट करता हूँ, बट मुझे खाने का वीडियो देखना बहुत पसंद है. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. आई ऑर्डर्ड नीम ऑयल फॉर माई प्लांट क्योंकि आई फील लाइक माई रोजमेरी प्लांट इज़ थोड़ा सा ब्राउनिंग एंड आफ्टर डूइंग सम रिसर्च गूगल ने मुझे बताया कि उसको कभी कभी पेस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं क्योंकि सन प्रॉब्लम्स उससे हो नहीं सकता, उससे काफ़ी सन मिलता है एंड इट रिक्वायर्स 6 hours ऑफ सनलाइट. सो वो तो अब मिल रहा है. अब मैं उसे तेल दूंगा. अगर तेल के बाद अभी वो ठीक नहीं हुआ तो वो जाए तेल लगाने. फिर हम बाहर से रोजमेरी ऑयल खरीदेंगे, बाहर से रोजमेरी हेयर वाला फुसफुस वाला खरीदेंगे. दैट आई यूज. वेट, लेट मी शो इट टू यू. Wow, I love how pointless this vlog is कि मुझे बात करते करते याद आ रहा है कि ओ मैं तो ये भी बात कर सकता हूँ, ओ मैं तो वो भी बात कर सकता हूँ. So this is the one that I'm using. It's from Avimi Hair. So Avimi Hair is this brand I discovered on Shark Tank. Wait, my delivery आ गया. So I use this in daytime. Focus नहीं हो रहा. Yeah, I use this in daytime. बस इससे मैं इसे स्प्रे करता हूँ, नॉट हेयर में, स्कैल्प में. ये तो बस मैंने बताने के लिए मार दिया ऐसे ही. And I think it's really nice. I've been using rosemary water. First I used from Soulflower. Then I used from another brand. This time I'm using from Avimi, because that uncle, if you know the uncle I'm talking about, जिसके ads Insta पे आते हैं, he convinced me, and ये काफ़ी अच्छे offer में था on Myntra, so I got this. It's lunch time, and for lunch we have some quinoa rice and mushroom and egg curry. No, I didn't make this. My didi made this. She cooks for me. So that's my lunch. I'm going to have my lunch while I keep my camera's battery to charge, so you won't be able to see me having lunch. I am so sorry, but whatever else I do in the day, I will record. Done with my lunch, I called up Canon, the office service center. The office is their service center. I have to get my camera serviced, which is the one I'm shooting from. But the problem is, today is Friday, and if I go Aaj, and if they happen to keep my camera for like a day or two, then I will only get this on Monday or Tuesday, because Saturday Sunday office बंद रहता है. So I cancelled that plan, and I'm just sitting looking outside the window. It's a windy day but also quite hot. That's the view from my bedroom window. मैं फालतू चीज़ें ज़िंदगी में बहुत जल्दी manifest करता हूँ. So I was thinking to get a tumbler recently, because I am using this sipper from Starbucks since last 2 years. So I thought I'll get a new tumbler. But कल मुझे Sephora से new tumbler मिल गया. So I don't have to get another one. मेरे पैसे बच गए. Also this cute little sipper cap is from Amazon. Let me know if you want link, and I'll send it to you. Yay! I'm unboxing this PR I got recently from Kiro. Not recently actually. इसे आए हुए 3-4 दिन हो गए हैं. And a lot of brands, when they send PR, they don't really like follow up on you, but this girl is very sweet, and she's been asking me to check out the PR, check out the PR, check out the PR, check out the PR, check out the PR. So मैं तो सोचा कि चलो check out कर ही लेते हैं. And I really love this box. How cute. Big Brown Energy, bold beautiful essentials. Big Brown Energy, फिर से काफी, oops, very nice. Then we have some stickers, very nice. Then I have मेरी शक्ल, but in Disney Princess edit. Love that. काफी अच्छी जॉलाइन दे दी गई है मुझे, जो मेरे पास सच में नहीं है. काफी सुंदर. This is what we have from the brand. This is the lipstick that I am using. It's like another shade right now. Then we have one gloss, one liquid lipstick, and this is actually quite fun. So you get 1 2 3 4 shades. I think 5 shades in one lipstick. So this is like that, वो जो बचपन में पेन नहीं होता था अलग अलग कलर का एक के पीछे एक. So it's that format. I love it. कुछ लगा के बताऊं? बताओ क्या लगा के बताऊं? We are trying this. The shade is Crushed Berry. अब पैकेजिंग पे एक्चुअली लिखा नहीं है कि ये एग्जैक्टली क्या है. So I am going to assume कि ये है लिप एंड चीक टिंट. वाह, उड़ गया कुछ. Wow, look at that. It's actually quite hydrating, non-drying, pigmented. सारा ही सब कुछ है. वाह, थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया, but सुंदर, very सुंदर, very सुंदर. I've used Kiro products before, so I really recommend Kiro. Thank you for sending this. My name is Shalom Harlow. I'm a model. I'm a muse. बस ब्रेन रॉट रील्स देखता हूँ, ब्रेन रॉट हो चुका है और कुछ नहीं, कंसर्न लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। डरो मत, अंधेरा नहीं हुआ है। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू दिस एस्थेटिक सी लाइट। ये देखो, वाओ वाओ। वेलकम टू माय बाथरूम। You actually thought, didn't you? No, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएंगे तो मे बी ऐसे कुछ हो सकता है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ऐसे होगा, बट मे बी ऐसे कुछ हो सकता है, क्योंकि एक गरीब आदमी कुछ भी कर सकता है टेंशन के लिए, एंड फिलहाल वो मैं हूँ। But I will see you after my shower. But before I go to shower, I want to show you something. Wait. So I was using Johnson & Johnson soap recently because my skin got really dry. पता नहीं कैसे, अभी तो winter भी नहीं है, but like my skin was feeling very dry, so I moved to baby soap because this is very gentle. But then मुझे आया इंस्टा पे ऐड और मैं इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया, क्योंकि मेरा काम है इन्फ्लुएंस करना, इन्फ्लुएंस होना। इन्फ्लुएंस में ज़्यादा हो जाता हूँ, इसलिए जितने पैसे आते नहीं उससे ज़्यादा चले जाते हैं। सो आई गॉट दिस कॉन्शियस केमिस्ट मेल्ट अवे बॉडी वॉश। अपेरेंटली दिस इज द ड्यूप ऑफ द लॉसितान ऑयल शार ऑयल वॉश, oil shower wash for $5.99, but I got this for $3.50 and I used it twice. काफी अच्छा है. So if you have dry skin and you're a lazy person who doesn't want to like go with another step of putting body lotion, I recommend this one. This was not sponsored and I will see you after shower. वैसे कोई प्लान है तो नहीं, but देखते हैं कुछ करेंगे for the plot, for this video we'll do something fun. Fun का तो पता नहीं, कुछ तो करूँगा. I'm done with my shower and that's my stay at home fit. This tank I got from a flea market. It's from this streetwear brand called Discreet. Without even trying to act humble, I'll tell you something. There's lip balm and lipstick everywhere in this house, and currently I am using, why it's not focusing, does not want to focus. Okay, currently I am using this one by Lancome. I really love how this prismatic the packaging is. It's very hydrating, but it's also tinted. It's like a gloss. Love that. Lancome, sorry, it's not Lancome. Lancome नहीं है, समझा? It's Lancome. Lancome Butter Glow Lipidol. So this is the one that ऐसे मुझे लगता है कि Zendaya uses this. I'm not sure. You go and check. Why don't you go and check and let me know if I'm wrong? Now I'm thinking what to do. Dinner I don't have to make because I am going to eat what I had for lunch. So my dinner is sorted. I am planning to I am going to edit another video which I shot yesterday to make it live on YouTube. So that video will probably come before this. So मैं वो करूँगा अभी बैठ के. Let's go. The way my iPad was underutilized, so I recently started reading on my iPad. I started scrolling Pinterest on my iPad. I watch YouTube when I'm in bed because my living room has TV, but there's no TV in my bedroom, and that was a mindful decision which I wanted to take because I didn't want to be inside my bedroom all the time. अगर TV अंदर होता तो मैं अंदर होता पूरे time. So I just wanted to separate my entertainment chilling zone from my resting zone. So मैंने वो किया है, but इतने अच्छे हम हैं नहीं. So we take our iPad अंदर कभी कभी और हमें देखते देखते सो जाते हैं, पढ़ते पढ़ते सो जाते हैं. But I am also planning to start editing my YouTube videos on my iPad, which I will try today, and I hope that works because I honestly need to make more use of my iPad. तो मैंने बोला था कि कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करेंगे, बट मैंने वीडियो एडिट की विच विल गो लाइव बिफोर दिस वीडियो. वो इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट था. अब वो तुम्हें इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. आई ऑल्सो मेड इंट्रो फॉर माई यूट्यूब चैनल जो सारे वीडियोस के पहले आएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड, बट आई कुड नॉट शूट इट क्योंकि अगर मैं वो शूट करता वैसे तो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता बिकॉज आई वॉज वर्किंग ऑन माई iPad. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. रात के बज रहा है 1. आई हैड डिनर. आई स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग दिस न्यू शो ऑन Netflix. But I will read and go to sleep now. I am reading this book called The Silent Patient. So I think that's all for this vlog. Let me know if you like it, then I can make more vlogs like this जिसमें I am not going out but I am doing things inside my house. बताओ, चाहिए तो बताओ, जल्दी बताओ, comment down. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do all of that. Good night. Maybe good night नहीं हो रहा तुम्हारे यहाँ पे, so good whatever time you're having.